everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I'm here at this place where called Apollo Grounds here in our country Philippines here in also, and also I've got some unboxing today. So I just really did unboxing in a public place right now. So let's go, gonna open this up. So okay, and then here it goes. This is a folding knife, so bought a new one also. It's because the design of this folding knife is so really nice, and so I can't wait to unbox it here since I can't do it in our house, so that's why I have to do it in here. It's because uh, there's no disturbance. Sorry for my grammar. Okay, okay, and then here it goes. This is only a quick unboxing. So I just want to show to you. Okay, here it goes, and then this is the new knife that I bought, and which is, oh, nice one. This is the brand which is called Black Sable. So let's go kind of check it out. Oh, nice, right? So I'm gonna have to. Okay, and then okay, there it goes. This is the new folding knife which is called the Black Sable, designed by Ray Cutlery Handcraft in USA. So we're gonna check it out. Okay, so this is only a manual. So here it goes. Uh, it's a manual. So forgot how to. Okay, this one right here, and then here it goes, and then how to fold it up again. So here it goes. This is the new cold steel, Black Sable cold steel, right? And then also this a nice one right here. As you can see that some it's because I'm in a cycling mode right now, and then here it goes, the Black Sable. So here it goes. This is the cold steel black cold steel black staple, and then how to fold it up is this. You just have to press it like that one, and then go, and then if you want to use it again, just push it, and then here it goes. So that is a nice uh, folding knife over here. So cold steel black saber, right? So where it goes, cold steel 2017 knives, black sable, designed by Red Cutlery, handcrafted in USA, and there's also right here 7CR17 steel, right? So nice one. And also oops, and also I really love the design. Okay, so that's it, guys. So that's it for today's unboxing, and this is my ADC. This is my new ADC vlog for my channel. Okay, so stay tuned for more, and gonna make a review of this one. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming vlogs here in my channel. Okay, so here it goes, guys. Okay, so stay tuned for more. So thank you so much.